Hello.
Hello.
Hi guys, we're back today with this cool little train track pieces from what store did we go to? Do you remember the name of the store?
Um, what?
I
Kia.
IKEA. Yes, we haven't been to IKEA in a very long time, so it was a little bit exciting for Nate. He wanted to get some of these train pieces. This was the only set that our IKEA store actually had. But why did you get this piece?
It's 'cause of the bridge.
Yeah, he wanted it because the bridge. One of our favorite things to do is to go look over the bridge where we live, and you can see the GO trains. So he loves watching the GO trains over the bridge. So he wanted another bridge for his train setup. So this is really cool. You get the one arched bridge. What color is the bridge?
Orange.
Yeah, and you get the two pieces that go up to the bridge and two riser blocks. So it's pretty cool. We've had other IKEA products like this, and they're compatible with the other wooden Thomas and Train tracks. And I like that they're compatible. So for $8, this is a really cool bridge. So it is wooden, and the bridge part is made out of plastic, but they are quite durable. They're for ages 3 and up. So we just wanted to come on here and make a quick video. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Take care and bye for now.
Take care. Bye for now.